Hey guys, it's Dave, your mortgageguy.com, and I get asked this question a lot. If I'm graduating college or just graduating, just starting a job, can I get a mortgage? Okay, and in this video, I want to break down everything you need to know on this topic. Before I do that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with more videos like this. So when it comes to starting a job after being in college, okay, you many times will hear, oh, you have to have a 2-year work history. You have to have 2 years on the job. That's actually not true. So your college transcript, your time in college represents part of or all of that 2-year work history. The issue isn't that you need to be on the job for 2 years if it's a salary position. The issue is you need to have a 2-year work history on the loan application, and being in college falls in that category in place of working, okay? So if you've never worked but graduated college and you're starting a new job, you'll be able to get a mortgage on a conventional loan, FHA loan, whatnot. Now, what happens is, as a lender, we'll be able to go off of your offer letter. So you get an offer letter from your new employer saying you're gonna make $100,000 a year. We can go off of that offer letter to qualify you for the mortgage instead of a pay stub, okay? Now, the position has to be salary, can't be 1099. You know, you may get commissions, that's not gonna get counted. You may get future bonuses, that's not gonna get counted. So it's gonna go off of your salary, okay? Now, you have to get your first pay stub on the new job before your first mortgage payment is due. Okay, so you don't have to be on the job working yet when you close on the home. You just need the pay stub before your first mortgage payment. So let's say you close in June on the home. First mortgage payment is August 1st. Before August 1st, you've got to have that first pay stub showing that you're working on the job, okay? Now, there are additional guidelines. If you're going to go FHA going this route, you need to have reserves and whatnot. And on conventional, you can actually have it be the job starting after your first mortgage payment, but there's additional guidelines needed for reserves on that standpoint also. So again, if you're graduating and you've got the job lined up, you absolutely can buy a home. I've done loans like this many, many times. And too many times the things you'll see online will say, well, you have to be on the job for 2 years. You have to be this or that, or college doesn't count, okay? College does count, all right? High school does not, but college does count, okay? And keep in mind, it's a 2-year history. So if you were in college, graduated, but didn't get a job for a couple months, depending on how long of a gap that was, right? On conventional, there's no timeline on that gap. So you graduated college, maybe you didn't get a job for 3 months. That's okay. If it's FHA, they don't want to see that you've had a gap larger than 6 months, or you have to be on that new job for 6 months, okay? So it's, you know, a lot of this is case by case based on your scenario, but something that is absolutely doable. And I wanted to break down the specific rules to make sure you knew it's doable when you go to apply for a mortgage to buy a home. All right? Call or email me anything, comment down below. And if you find my videos helpful, I'd love to be your lender. Thanks, guys.